Today I will tell you little Luna's daily routine. Wake up, rise and shine. Me and my brother, it's morning time. Brush our teeth, fresh and clean. Get ready for the day, feeling like a queen. Books and lunch, packed nice and tight. Ready for a day that's oh so bright. Eat my meal with milk so white. Pack my bag, everything just right. Tiffin and bottle all in there. The school bus is here and I'm prepared. In class, I learn, I answer well. Teacher smiles and I can tell. After school, it's nap time. Sweet. Then play with friends. That's a treat. Nap with family, we laugh out loud. Homework done, I feel so proud. Dinner time and brush again. Early to bed, dreams begin.
Hi kids! Welcome to the channel. Today we will learn AZ alphabets. So kids, repeat after me. A is
Off to
for
school, we go. Uniform on in a little neat row.
butterfly.
Books and lunch,
C
that's
is
so
for
nice. Ready for a day,
camel.
that's oh so bright.
Dinosaur. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grasshopper. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. B R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for x-ray. Fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Good. Hello guys. Today we lean body parts named from head to toe. So let's begin. Face. This is face. Head. This is head. Forehead. This is our forehead. Hair. This is our pretty hair. Eyebrow. This is eyebrows. Eyes. This is our eyes. We see everything from eyes. Ear. This is our ear. We listen sound from ear. Nose. This is our nose. We breath and smell from nose. Cheek. This is our cheeks. Mouth. This is our mouth. We eat and speak with mouth. Lips. This is lips. Teeth. This is teeth. We chew food with teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. We taste food with tongue. Chin. This is chin. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is our strong shoulder. Arm. This is our arm. Elbow. This is our elbow. Hand. This is our hand. Finger. This is our finger. Stomach. This is our stomach. Leg. This is leg. We walk and run with legs.
Knee. This is knee.
Ankle. This is our ankle. Foot. This is our foot. Foot help us in walk. Toe. This is our toe. Guys, did you enjoy? Now it's quick recap time. Let's check how much you have learned about body parts. So start with true and false question. One picture will show you with name you have to select. The name is true or false. So tell me. This body part is hand. True or false? True. Good job, kids. The body part which connected to neck is feet. So tell me. True or false? Good job, kids. False. Right answer is head, which connected to neck.
Good job, kids. Like, subscribe,